Good morning. The results for the Karnataka Assembly elections may well inspire the Congress. With a polling percentage of over 70% in the May 5th voting, the counting has just begun and exit polls indicate that the Congress could storm back into power. The market is set to open on a high note. Nothing has changed dramatically except that FII inflows have unexpectedly stepped up after the RBI policy meet. Meanwhile, psychological levels of indices seem to be breaching both in India and abroad. Investors are wondering whether it is the Fed's bond buying program that is pushing cheap money into US markets or genuine optimism for the US economy, or perhaps it's a combination of both. Either way, nobody seems to be complaining for now. The Dow closed above the 15,000 mark, while back home the Nifty is perched above the 6,000 mark. China's export and import growth saw a surprise jump, rising 14.7% in April, even as the government probes into reports of inflated trade data. Asian stocks are up. South Korea's Kospi index is up 0.4%, while Singapore's Straits Times index rose 0.7%. Taiwan's TAIEX index gained over 1%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng index is up 0.7%. China's Shanghai Composite Index is up 0.5%, while Japan's Nikkei added over 1.2%, though trading volumes are lower. Trends in the FII flows. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 6.55 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 7.29 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 15.62 billion in the cash segment on Monday, according to the SEBI figures. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend buying DLF above Rs 238 for the target price of Rs 250, with stop loss placed at Rs 232. Derivative strategy for the day. Short BPCL May future above Rs 410 for the target price of Rs 398, with stop loss placed at Rs 415. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.